In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Microsoft Teams meeting in Outlook. If you want to set up a Teams meeting quickly and make sure everyone gets the correct link, Outlook makes the process very simple. This is a great option when you're planning a one-on-one call, a team check-in, or a larger scheduled meeting and you want everything organized in one place. To begin, open Outlook and create a new calendar event or a new meeting. Depending on the version of Outlook you're using, you may see a button that says New Event or New Meeting. Either option will bring you to the meeting setup screen where you can enter all the important details. Once that window opens, start by filling in the basic meeting information. Add a clear title so your attendees immediately know what the meeting is about. Then set the date and choose the start and end time carefully. If needed, you can also adjust the calendar settings to make sure the timing works correctly for your schedule. After that, add the attendees in the invitation field. This ensures the right people receive the meeting request directly in their inbox and calendar. When the title, time, and attendees are in place, the next step is to turn it into a Teams meeting. Look for the Teams meeting button in the top ribbon of Outlook. In some versions, especially in Outlook on the web, this may appear as Add Teams Meeting. Click that option to enable the online meeting feature. As soon as you do that, Outlook will automatically generate and insert the Microsoft Teams meeting link into the invitation. This is one of the biggest advantages